So we all know how important lighting is when filming, taking photos, content creation, but we also know that sometimes our equipment is super heavy. So I have two big lights over there, I have some lights over here, I have one light over there. And the good thing about that one is that gives me a really nice lighting effect, like a really nice illumination when I'm filming right here. But sometimes I need to get something that is not so heavy as my lights down there, and it's kind of like a little bit more portable. That's how this light over here, yes, this is a soft light. This is a softbox light that is inflatable. You don't believe me? I'm gonna do this right now so you can see how fast you can actually do this. Check this out. That's it. And you don't lose any air because it comes with a valve right there. So you put the lid and that's it. This thing is a light that is a rechargeable light that goes from 27 Kelvin to 65 Kelvin. This is so good. I'm going to show you right now. It comes with a digital display right here. And now once that is unlocked, this one right here, you're going to see that I'm going to keep kind of like putting the light right here. I'm going to put it in 65 Kelvin and I'm going to actually start kind of like turning on the light right here. You can see that this one is actually quite good. The whole thing is inflatable, portable, rechargeable, and it's going to last you for a really long time. And I'm going to just like put it up in the 27 Kelvin right here for like a soft light and a really nice skin effect right here. The good thing about this one is, let me show you. So I turned off the light so you can see a little bit better of this portable light over here. The good thing about this one, as I was telling you before, it comes with this digital display right here that's going to show you everything you need to know, including the amount of battery left and also the temperature and also the dimmable light right here and the dimmable temperatures here as well. So this one comes super handy for things like filming, for example. But also here you're going to find the USB-C port, and this one, it has this kind of like weird shape right here because you can actually put this one in like a pool, for example. If you need to film like in a pool or something like that, you can actually put it in there and you're not going to have any issues. But something that I really want to show you right here is, so you can see the effect on this one that works perfectly, works really good. But something nice about this one is you don't have to have it inflated at all times. You can actually do this. Check this out. So now it's losing all the air. And you can actually adapt it to be kind of like this shape, this way right here. So you can actually use it kind of like in a U shape or right here from the back as well. Or you can just like do something like this and redirect the light so whatever you want to have it. And it doesn't have to be inflated. But when you want to inflate it super fast, let me show you again one more time. And that's it. It's not losing any air at all. So remember that this one, you can actually put it from the 2700 Kelvin to the 6500 Kelvin. But one more time, I do believe that the portability of this light, the range, the temperature range, the rechargeable feature, of course, that is so easy to use and so easy to handle. And of course, that you can actually dim it and put it in water if you need, and just like kind of like put it in a U shape if you need. This one is a really good one for content creation on the go or photos on the go. I'm going to give it just like a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.